How to get $110 Temu promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Temu promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes for Temu. So go ahead and open any of these websites. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Time Magazine. Once you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. Now I can just scroll down. Over here, you'll find the section of coupons. Go ahead and click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find only coupons. 10% off, 30% off. You can just scroll down and check. You're gonna find great deals and offers. If you're interested in any of the offer and want to use it, all you have to do is click on the option of show coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. So here's the coupon code. You can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Temu. Log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of View Discount at Temu. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Temu. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code. And with that, you will get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, don't forget to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Temu. Well, this is how you can get up to $110 Temu promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.